Let's be real, but if someone really wants to break into your Facebook account, weak settings make it easy. In this guide, I'll show you how to fully lock down your Facebook account security in 2026 step by step, so even advanced attacks get blocked. All right? Start with your password. Open your account settings and go into security. Change your password to something long and completely unique. So at least 12 characters, mixed letters, numbers, and symbols. And yeah, never reuse this password anywhere else. Next, turn on two-factor authentication. This adds a second lock to your account. Use an authenticator app if possible. Text messages work, but authenticator apps are harder to intercept. That extra layer really matters. Now scroll down to where you're logged in. This shows every device with access to your account. If you see a device, browser, or location you don't recognize, log it out immediately. Don't hesitate, then refresh the list. Next, secure your recovery options. Check the email addresses and phone numbers linked to your account. Remove anything old or unused. Hackers target recovery info first, so only. Keep contact details you fully control. All right, this one's important. Go to apps and websites connected to your account. If you don't recognize an app or you haven't used it in years, remove it. Every connected app is a potential entry point. Now enable login alerts. This sends you a notification whenever someone tries to log in from a new device or location. Turn on both app and email alerts, so if anything suspicious happens, you know instantly. Finally, tighten your privacy settings. Limit who can see your posts, your friends list, and your profile info. Less public data means fewer ways for attackers to target you. It's simple, but very effective. And that's the full lockdown. Once these settings are in place, your Facebook account becomes extremely difficult to compromise. Quick reminder: review these settings every few months. Security changes and staying updated matters.